Hello, my name is Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex. Today is Tuesday, November 24th, 2009, and you're watching today's video technical update. Not much has happened, but the market maintained a tighter range than we had to start the week. This has been expected as we wind down the week ahead of Thursday's Thanksgiving holiday in the US. So let's follow up with a few pairs. Our first pair is the euro-dollar pair. The resistance at 1.50, 5010 has held, and overnight the pair came down. But at the start of the European session, the pair was supported at 1.49 at that area and rallied. But in the US session, the market kept the pair below 1.50. So our outlook is still valid. Our outlook being a short-term bearish action to reach the range target here at 1.48, and this, as we established yesterday, would yield approximately a 1.6 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Now our target yesterday was here at this bearish engulfing pattern. It was in a very strong pattern, but we also had confirmation as the pattern here broke and we had further decline. So here we're back in that area. For another signal could be break of this very short-term support here. Okay, so we'll continue to stalk this pair, but since we're so close to Thanksgiving this week, we probably would wait until the Sunday open to assess more significant market data. And that's it for the euro dollar. Now turn into the pound dollar pair. Now whereas the euro dollar pair kept it near the short-term resistance area, the pound dollar pair is keeping the pair here near the short-term support area. Now yesterday we had this rally and we anticipated the Asian European session to bring the pair back down to test this former power line here at 1.65 to 1.6530 area. The market came down to test 1.65 and rallied from there. However, now we're at overbought levels. By the way, this would have been that trigger for very short-term and aggressive traders who are looking at the bullish and again short-term bullish outlook. This would have been that trigger. However, the market has since just consolidated. Now just to remind you, our approach here is to wait for the market to test here 1.6850 and use the 4-hour time frame to look for bearish action to continue from there. However, again, the very aggressive trader might use the 1-hour time frame here, looking at this consolidation, and at the breakout, it should be a breakout should signal right here. A breakout should signal the rally towards 1.6750. Alright, that's it for pound dollar. And make sure you watch the 1.66 area in the Asian session and look for if there is a strong bullish candle, that should be your signal. Finally, a look at the euro pound pair. We anticipated this area to provide some bearish interest as it is near resistance at 0.9050. The market has kept this resistance and is showing a bearish divergence. We're waiting for the 0.8990 medium, very short-term support to be broken, and that would be a signal for the market to retest this previous support here at 0.8840. This 0.8950 is also a very short-term support area, so that should be monitored when the pair comes down there. The next target is here, 0.8840, That's the short-term target, and then you have a medium-term target here at 0.87. Alright, so again, look at the 0.89 area in the Asian session, and if it breaks, that should be your bearish signal. That wraps it up for today. You can expect short sessions for the rest of the week as we await market activity to revive next week. Once again, my name is Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex. Remember to check out fxtimes.com regularly for your latest news, analysis, as well as educational live events. Happy trading to you, and see you tomorrow.